Hello everybody. I am going to talk to you about a couple of things today, and then I'm going to follow up with separate videos about the different topics. I have gotten dressed already. I've got my makeup on. I even have some earrings on today. I went for a little bit of a different look today in the greens and blues, and I'm starting to really enjoy my mascara again, the old tried and true Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. That's what I'm using here, and as you can see, it's giving me a nice finish. I had to get used to working with it again because it was a little bit different. I'm going to try this again. This is my Marc Jacobs Decadence. It's a beautiful, beautiful bottle. It's great for display. Now we'll see how much I'm enjoying it for actually using. I'm not sure. I've tried it once or twice before. Okay, let me just give it a quick rub. It doesn't, the initial spray of it does not speak to me. Now, it's been called an evening fragrance, and you know, they say that you should wear it at night, that it's better for that, but I'm not sure I quite understand that, because if it smells good, it smells good, period. Okay. I am very, very, very excited today to tell you that I got my package from Emile Cordon. This is very, very thrilling for me. They had contacted me just when I got home from the hospital, and because things were a little bit screwy at that point, and I just was not very well organized. Somehow it got lost in the translation, and I never did get the package. I apparently had not sent them a place to send it to, so I now have it. And I am going to open it for you and show you what I have, and then I'm going to try it on, which is why I have no lipstick on right now. It's in this little box, and if I can only find a way to open the box, that would be a good thing. Okay, bear with me for just a minute. Sun is shining today. That's a nice surprise. We have had the most disgusting weather here for a long time, and with it all, I should absolutely not complain because it hasn't been snow. So if it's going to do anything, let it rain. And by the way, with my nails, I was using, it was either too old a glue or it wasn't the right glue. I'm going to change the glue the next time or when I do it, and I will show that to you. Okay. There is a card that comes with it saying, "Thank you. From garden to lip treatment, Emile Cordon embarked on a mission to share our love for lip care. Emile Cordon's selection offered a variety of the highest quality lip treatments. The team sourced ingredients and fragrances from the most reputable established laboratories and gardens throughout the country, accepting only the exceptional. Have a kiss full of luxe and charm and be prepared to unveil a sensation of heavenly softness." What could be better? Okay. All right, they sent me 2 of their lip pots. I love the packaging. It's really nice black and gold packaging. A kiss full of luxe and charm, the world's finest lip care, and it sounds wonderful. It says, nourish, soften lips, reduce lip lines, anti-aging, improve circulation on skin. That sounds wonderful. Then it has a list of ingredients on the back that are made for young eyes. There's no way that I could see that without a magnifying glass. So let's see what the first one is. I have watched a few of my friends do this. The first one is Rose Imperial. I don't know if it's I think it's rosé, actually. It looks like it's rosé. And, okay, this is what it looks like. Has a very nice scent. It's not overwhelming at all. I love the container that it's in. It's a really nice container. Okay. And the second one is Mandarin Garden. Oh, look at that. That's wonderful. It comes with a little spoon so that you can take the product out without contaminating it by getting your fingers in there and having to do that over and over again. What I'm going to do, I'm not sure how you're supposed to apply it, but what I'm going to do is I am going to put some lipstick on first. This is what this one looks like. And once again, this one is called Mandarin Garden. Oh, I love the smell of this one. This is delicious. I really love the smell of this. I have to decide which one I'm going to use today. And I think I will do it based upon what lipstick I choose. So I'm going to pick that first and then take it from there. Okay, this is a lip kit that I had gotten from Ulta. It's called Lip Glossary. It was one of those things that they had on this crazy sale when they were doing that sale just a very short time ago. All right, this is just gloss though. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is I have this. This had actually 4 different shades in it. I've already tried 2. This is the Ulta Beauty Matchmaker, and I'm going to put that on, and then on top of that, I will put I'm going to use the Mandarin one. Now the question is, do I go extremely light and go with Patent Shine liquid lipstick? The other one is a velvet matte, so I'm going to go with the Shine. I always prefer Shine to matte because my older lips really need all the help they can get. This has a matching pencil, supposedly, and the lipstick, and let's see how it works. Generally, and it is a retractable pencil, and I really like that so much better than the ones that you have got to sharpen. I really do not like those. And I don't do too terribly well with them. So let's take a look at this and see what I can do. It's very light. It's in the peachy family, but that should work well with the Emile Cordon product. As you know, what I typically do when I get a new product, no matter the source, I will give you my first impressions of it, and then as I use it, I will come back and tell you how I feel about it, because my initial impressions are not always the impressions that I have as time goes by. Okay, these pencils are nice. By the way, it's nice and smooth, and it doesn't pull on my lips. I know I've got a raspy kind of sound today, so forgive me. Okay, now I'm going to try the liquid lipstick. Liquid lipsticks are not my favorite thing, and I know a lot of you do extraordinarily well with it. Here we go. It smells nice, though. There is not all that much on this doe foot applicator. Okay. Okay, so that's the basic lipstick. I'm going to let it dry for a minute since it is a liquid lipstick, and then I'm going to put my Emile Cordon product on it, and I will let you know how it feels. I will let you know what I think of it as it wears. Now, I'm wondering if I should just take a little bit of this, and as I say, today I'm definitely going with the Mandarin Garden because the color wave is more in the color wave of the lipstick, although it's a combination of the two, truly. And I really like the smell of this a lot. It's subtle, but really nice. Okay, so I took just a little bit on here. Now my question is, should I use a brush to put it on, or should I just apply it with my fingers? And I don't know the answer to that. Okay, this time I'm going to do it with my fingers and see what I think. Oh, wow. That feels incredible. I can't even begin to describe it to you. What is that feeling? Let me do the top, and maybe I can tell you better. I cannot begin. Oh God, this is unbelievable. Wow. Oh. Wow. I'm not sure if it feels like I'm putting a layer of silk on my lips or a layer of velvet on my lips, but it is astoundingly soft feeling, and I can see where they say it feels kissable. I am now going to clean off this applicator, or the thing that I use to extract the product, and then I'm going to wash it before I use it again. But oh wow, if this first impression lasts, I love this stuff. And I would imagine, and again, I took a generous amount, I realize now, and it was just that much. Can you see it? I don't think you need that much. It feels unbelievable. I don't know how to describe it. What I'm going to have to do is let you know later in the day how I feel about it once it's been on for the entire day. And I will take it from there, and I'll definitely do the other one for you as well. But for this moment in time, I think I'm in love. This is really super. Wow. Thank you so much, Emile Cordon, for sending this to me. This is perfectly wonderful. And as of the moment, I would have to say it is absolutely a win for me. So thumbs up for the product for me as of now. Once again, the other one was Rosé Imperial. And again, that was, it's a very pleasant, very, very subtle scent. So I will try this one on for the next time. I want to come in closer because I really want you to get a good feel for this. And then you can tell me what you think, as you always do. So let's take a look. Let me come on in closer. I really love it. So that's it for this for right now. I have enjoyed bringing this to you. I've been waiting for it for a while, and I'm very excited about it. This is definitely a product that would be in my arsenal. There's no question. As of this moment, unless anything changes, unless I have a reaction to it, does not bother me at all. It feels sensuous, if one can describe a product like that. So take care, everybody, and